Everyone for Egan and SMTVGH. Message like, comment, subscribe. Turning on notifications so that anytime the video gets away, a shema, Usambe Kebu.
Oripo Akwaba.
My brother, I love you. I love you past everything. Hey,
Oh, I love you too, my brother.
Analysis, the way you also explain things to the audience, Charlie, God bless you. You know, one of the problems I work within our fraternity, the NPP, is that there are people here. Those days are near school. You will be a friend parasite.
Yeah.
Parasite here, if you wanna, it be ababe siniso. And I say, ababe baby afa. So those people know are calling for say, no can no voting. They are parasites. So the only thing we need to do is that we need to prune them away. We need to prune those people away from those mango tree or baba tree or orange tree, so that the orange tree can grow well. As today, whilst I'm talking to you, the party has got a root, and whereby we have a leader of our party, which is Baumia.
Yeah.
Why is it that there's a division among some group of people who feel that Honorable Kana Komprekwede can set up a party somewhere, and so no can no vote again? These same people led the party, went to opposition in 2024. Today, my brother, I noticed something, and if you get the video, you understand what I am trying to, the point I want to make. There's a man called Rev Ansah.
Yeah.
And they gave him the opportunity to pray. And he quoted a version in Genesis, and I forgot the verse. And in fact, he said, whatever we agree in God's name, right? Whatever we agree in God's name and believe that it will happen, God has wanted this to happen. It means that Bibia Yajatum say, I win unity. Odoni biaku ya no onyankopon ebema saade no abem. He quoted from Genesis. Today, no single person in our party can set us apart. And I'm telling you, boys, I have served as polling station executive for not less than 12 years. And what I'm trying to say is that there are some individuals within their selfless interests, they want to divide our party. They can't. Because majority of our party today are united with Baumia. Majority have elected a party flagbearer in 2028. Majority of our party, the elders of our party, the aspirants, the 2026 aspirants, those 5 aspirants, they are united. The 5 aspirants, 4 of them are, 3 of them are united. They said, yes, Baumia, that we are going for. No amount of person that will single itself somewhere and say, no can, no vote. No, nobody.
Yeah.
So I just want to tell our brothers and sisters so they can go to hell. And I'm using the word hell. That a lot of us, the young ones of our party today, are very aggressive that whatever it takes for us to win power in 2028, we'll do that. We'll go and bring the people that today they are not even having that zeal and that exuberance to join the party. We'll go and bring them because we are ready for Baumia to win election. Look at that dishonesty that the NDC are giving us, and you are telling us no can, no vote. What role did Ken play in the government, and what is his contribution to our party? We shouldn't entertain them. They have continued doing this, and we have allowed them. At this time, we have elected our flag bearer, and the flag bearer is Baumia, and we need to ride behind him and make sure that we'll win power in 2028. Voice, I thank you, and I pray that God should give you the strength so that
Amen.
this work you can do it well.
Amen.
Okay?
That's
Thank
it.
you.
Thank you very much for report and thanks for the good work you've been doing for our party. Every program or report that is, I mean, so devoted. It was young for and you remember no and answer no power no massam simple. And ya feel na you be crow bia. This is not the time for pampering anybody. We went through a democratic process. Okay? Free and fair. Not a single incident. So far, no elections were no. One of the best internal elections NPP has ever held. Now, yes, I didn't no 2 weeks to 3 weeks ni. Afe now as I saw camera, we see NPP ni. Na uka say no care no vote. Et mukwako starting mu political party. On friend the base. The General Secretary, Justin Kobiano, must have the strength and the courage and show them the gate. Come out and say, from today, Omunye MPP for bill. Till now, no, Honorable Kennedy Japan, on my signal, BRT say, wajitum say about me winnie. He's not giving us that signal. He's not forthcoming. Matikra say, Odio bi wo ho a oka say what say ni nkrofo bi say onko starting on one party. Actually say he is aware of it and he is maybe romancing with the idea. And it's bad. Eliasu, it's saying good morning.
Yeah, morning, the voice.
Diaboko.
Yamiadmon also.
Yes, I don't me gusu. Yankwe.
Okay.
6 minutes.
Okay. Thank you so much for the opportunity once again. And as usual, we all are. It's not Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bamia. Muntiye. It's not Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bamia that we are fighting for. Muntiye. Those who are always making utterances that no can no vote. It means like you people are only fighting for Kennedy. You are not fighting for the New Patriotic Party. It means you people are not fighting for New Patriotic Party. You are fighting for selfish interest as a leader who has no any legacy. Who has no any legacy, good 24 years in parliament for the party, but you people still stand for this, no can, no vote. Okay, as usual, Abrum says something, my senior brother. See, we don't even need to bring them back. We don't need to pamper anybody. 2024 election, voice, were we having no can, no vote? Let's ask ourselves, we shouldn't make a little bit mistake. MPP opinion for not Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia per se. MPP opinion for national, regional, constituency. We shouldn't make such mistake. Voice. 2024, we were not having can no vote, or we were not having no can no vote. We were not having Bawumia come, no Kennedy come, but along of the way, they decided not to come out to vote. Voice, as I live in Accra here, I can tell you, if you don't believe, or whoever listen to me, if you don't believe, I have that morale, I have that strength, I have that kind of intelligence. I can enter Medina. I'm telling you, voice, 90% of them are still standing, no can, no vote. I swear God. Last week I was in Medina, around Medina police station. Then I have my colleagues who are young guys fighting for NPP. I'm telling you that we were sitting almost 7. We are 8 people in that pavilion. Then we were talking. I'm telling you that 10 of them were deciding that they would never vote for NPP again unless we brought Kennedy. I said, what is your problem? Out of 18 guys, 17 guys, who 10 of them were saying that no can, no vote. I asked them, what is your problem? So right now, my understanding and my ability with my little bit experience and observe that I'm feeling now, voice, we shouldn't entertain them again.
Yeah.
We should use a different strategy different strategy. That strategy that we are brought out should make sure that we are going to win 2028. Neither not to depend on these people. See, we were not having this insult and this kind of threat and in teasing each other, but they decided not to vote for us. But right now we fight, and Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud become the flag bearer of the new patriotic party. And you people are thinking like we will get it, fella. We will not get it, fella. This is the right time. We should focus, make sure that we are going to make a point to the people of Ghana. And we are going to make sure that Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud is coming with all angles. But if we want to still rely on these people deliberately, see, there is one guy saying that there's one guy's phobia. See, I think like that guy is not normal. See, any day, any time, they are making their utterances rather against the party, saying that Omube good party, no. See, we only know that you people have money. Your leader have money. Wallahi, voice. They know what we can do. Even if it is physically, spiritually, we will also find ways of me to damage them, to let them understand that we don't have money we can share to give to people that they should go on social media and be insulting doctor or insulting NPP for. But we will use our experience to let them know that Kennedy will never lead New Patriotic Party or party. We are fed up, voice. Those kind of utterances against us. We should attack NDC, but you people are now giving the freedom to NDC. Then what they are doing in this country, and it is not good, Quran. But we cannot talk. We are rather. It seems like we are rebels. We are not rebels.
Yo,
Boys, let's all believe in ourselves that Suronipa, the word Suronipa, I swear God. 2024, we were not having this kind of banter and those things, but they said they will not vote for her. If they are getting close to you, voice me like this. If you are from Kennedy camp, I will never trust you, even buying pure water for me to drink. We should be careful with these people. We should be careful with them. Never think like he's your brother. We are very kind. We are very fair to them, but they are not fair to us.
Oye koko kwani ampa. Kona kosuya de. Uni problem bia ho. Ya decide sheye we nyina break koko kwafo. Ana mama ya di wisie tax be dada mo. John mama tu eni krom onu ye nua koko wo ho enti onim koko dua mu bre. Hwe kukurudu koko wa hu. Before se koko begu bot koko beba beduru ba bia ye carry koko no. Eye branko a koko na hyase akosi se be kosi kabeba be hwekua botum ba bia akuani mre ani se koko sika beba be hwe ni botum de onim koko ho asem bia be ka asem we efri na hyase saa kosi se begu botum koko hwenya ya se koko na bere na oti no unse koko nso no untime mforo enwo no mane ntingu from one time because say timi so ba ho miensa na tua faako na baako na abere enti o se wo dia asosowa na wo di baako na abere no firim na kabunu mienu no enti tembi aso beti koko na ya wesa utiri hwesoro saa na ya wesu uti hwesoro saa because ade ne wosoro enti asa soro na wo hwe na wate koko no wate agu from awie no nso no emu sisi ade ewom nie wasa wo fa no wan mako na dia gu kentem na wasoa na ade akwa aboye wo de kwa aboye a first ne dia na omudi noboa ba ene na minim eno emu aduane noa because obi babuya adwuma ma wa elso ama ni didi men elso ama na nije na wawie no wakotwa bode ho na kwadu hunu dia gu fom na wabokoko ni mani nyina dia gusu na wuwie a waburu for 6 to 7 days. Ewo bush ho. Na bush ho no waburu no. Ansa na wodi agu kentemu. Na wodi eson. Na wodi bafie. Na no di ba no. Hwe ade a afement no. Hwe sadia dissent no. Eni ni hwam ne kankan besi aye. Wo ba ni nyina na kokko nso ni sogu ho. Na wodi abegu apaso a wo hata no. Ewo se every what a bia na so said them I was say unum na se unu koko num na se wo hwa wonsa ho nyame am aduane kura de na nye wakono kwani be fa sa titi we nyina mu na John mama ni ayi ye friends randia be koko no omadi kan aton me omo generalista num asem na meka wasi omakoton koko no $3 billion ye bisa randia ba koko no omu hu ska no enti samu begie dia na samu nji ni a finance minister na kasa no senka na no
asem na wo ka no maintain kan yi
omo generalist
ya be koko no makwaje free akuafo no honom no wo maton no magic no but they don't know where the money is.
Yes, omo generalist na aka your friend say bibi nana mi refi ni din omo radio station me wo video no kra what up for number
that is the main reason why I ain't tua koko crash for ne ka no
enti ayen tua koko for ka no
meba inti ya obije doesn't mean say because of that inti ain't tua koko for ne ka na just say price new price ya be eno no mo be tua koko for ne ka na say
eno no mo be tua koko for ka
ebi mu wo ho no mo de ni cash mu dada omo de ni 3,600 de no and as you see a new price aba doesn't mean so omo de akam no ye tuo mo ka old price na so ye be do new price so na so mo nyina ye new price
so say the ten say once a si koko bottle your new price so de akowum fanko use an ye betua ban san ye betua ma o de fa number dia mu me send video na ma omo one of their best radio presenters no mo radio station wono o si wo matua koko no ma fa akoton enti se obi sasam no de oka no
se ya bi je me ba pacho obi ye koko crash ni bi ha so nipa oni ha ne on brush on I just want to ask say wo musika na aka mu no o mo betu o mo ka old price and as o betu o mo ka new price. That is what I want to know from last year sika no